Hey everyone, and welcome back to the new era of video editing. In this video, we will explore the incredible creative new assets in Filmora 15. So let's get in. Here, we will try new assets one by one. So, now we will see in stock media. Then click here on exclusive. New assets are marked as V15 at everywhere. It shows newly added assets are in Filmora 15 is here. So now you can try it in your project. Now, we will moving towards transition section. Here you can see that so many newly added transition here, which is too perfect. Here I am using one by one. Watch this. Now we are moving towards effect section. Here, we have tried animated chart in the previous video. You can watch that. Here I am trying this effect. Now we are moving towards stickers section. And at last we will see newly added template. So now, let's try one. For using this template, simply replace these media from your clip. It's very simple.